Hello everyone, welcome to the class. As many requested, today I am doing this video how to construct the circle. What do you mean by circle? A circle is a two-dimensional figure. Okay, if we want to draw a circle, what do you want? Don't say compass and a ruler. What it is important to draw a circle? Radius is important. The measurement of radius is very important to draw the circle. What do you mean by radius? A line extends from the center. See, like there's a line extends from center to the boundary of the circle, the circumference of the circle. If a circle is there, center to the boundary, you will call that as a radius. So, construct the circle. Radius, it is important. Now, we will construct. Radius is 4 centimeter. First, what you do, take your ruler, place it on the notebook center. Don't do it in the corner because we can't able to draw the circle. In the center, keep your ruler. Mark 4 centimeter. Draw the line segment. Mark from 0 and extend till 4 centimeter. Keep a dot like this. Then you join this. Now mark this as AB or whatever it is. Name it first. Then take your compass. Keep this A as a center. Place the fixed point there. Okay. Now extend the compass. Place it at B. Now kindly hold it here on the top. Don't hold it here, here like that. Kindly hold it on the top of this. Now just rotate it. That's it. Very simple. So first step, whatever measurement, whatever radius it is given, draw the line segment for that and keep the A as a fixed point. That will be your center. Then extend the compass, place it there at B and now draw the circle. So this will be your radius of 4 centimeter. If you want to cross check whether you have drawn it correctly, obviously you have drawn correctly. If you want to check, kindly check the diameter. What do you mean by diameter? Diameter is a straight line which passes through the point, the center, which passes through center of the circle. So center means the point A is your center. Now draw a line like this. Okay. Measure this. See, keep your ruler there, 0 to here. Exactly I am getting. Can you all able to see? 8 centimeter. Diameter is nothing but 2 times of radius. So what is my radius here? 4. What I should get? 8 centimeter. If my diameter is 8 centimeter, then whatever I have drawn, I have constructed, it is right. Am I clear, children? One more example will do it with the decimal point. Second question, the radius I have given 3.5 centimeter. As I told you, first step, draw the line segment. So where the 3.5 centimeter here? 0 to 1, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter. So that 0.5 represents the millis. So the small line it is there, no? You should count. Between 3 and 4, can you all able to see the bigger line? That you will call it as a 0.5. Can you all able to see? So now place the ruler here. At the point 0, keep a dot. Then 3, I know 3 centimeter. 0.5 means 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth small line I should keep it. Okay, now can you all able to see the dots I have drawn? Now join these dots. Why I am telling to draw the line segment? If I asked you to measure like this, measure 3.5 using your compass like this, means you can able to do, but you may do sometimes wrongly. So better draw the line segment like this. Mark it as O, B or whatever it is. Whatever alphabet you want, you can draw. Now keep the fixed point at the center. So this O is your center point, right? So I am extending till B here. Now hold it here. Always remember you should hold it here. Just draw a circle. Rotate it. See, I am not moving that fixed point. Can you all able to see? I am not moving the fixed point. Just I am rotating this pencil arm only. Now, whatever I have drawn, whether it is correct or not, I have to check. How I will check? a line passes through the center. That what you will call diameter. Shall we check? Radius, I have drawn 3.5 centimeter. What is my diameter? So measure it. Measure it. 2 times. 2 times of radius is diameter. So use your ruler. Use your ruler, measure it. Exactly, I got 7 centimeter. 2 times of 3.5, it is nothing but what? 7 centimeter. I got my diameter as 7 centimeter. How you will add? 3.5 into 2, or you can add like this, 3.5 plus 3.5. What you will get? 7. So 7.0, it is nothing but 7. 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. 1 point it is there. Both, if you can add it, or you can multiply by 2. This is the formula, 2 times of the radius. So measure and check it. I hope you all have understood. Try constructing in your notebook. 7.8. So 8 means what you will do? Till 7 centimeter you will measure. Then this small, between 7 and 8, you will be having a line that you will call it as a 7.5. After that 7.6, 7.7, 7.8. So keep a dot first, join the line, then construct the circle. I hope you all have understood. Thank you.